In this video, we will be talking about the firmware upgrade in Sangfor NGAF. Before we perform firmware upgrade on NGAF, we require to do some preparatory checking. First, check if the upgrade license is valid. Second, check whether the NGAF is deployed in high availability mode. If yes, HA should be disabled and upgrade the device separately, then only deploy back in HA mode. Third, check on the current NGAF firmware version to ensure the firmware version able to support the upgrade patch. Fourth, check if there are any custom patch or any KB patch installed on the NGAF patched device does not support upgrade. Fifth, confirm on the version needed to be upgraded. Sixth, download Sangfor Updater and the respective NGAF firmware upgrade package before performing the upgrade. Note: kindly contact Sangfor personnel to check on whether the NGAF hardware is able to support the firmware upgrade before you perform the upgrade. For your information, there will be downtime after the device successfully upgrade. This is due to the device will be restarted after successful upgrade. Thus, kindly schedule the upgrade on non-production hours to avoid disruption to the production. In this video, we will perform firmware upgrade from version 8.0.17 to version 8.0.23. Preparatory check before firmware upgrade. First, we need to check on the software upgrade license validity. Go to System, General, System, Authorization, scroll down to bottom to find Software Upgrade License. If the license is expired, kindly contact your distributor or Sangfor personnel to renew your license. Before we unplug the HA cable, please check on the HA setting as we require to disable the HA setting first. Go to System, High Availability, Redundancy. If the high availability is enabled, kindly untick it here. Then, go to Sync Options tab. If the synchronization is enabled, kindly untick it. To check on the device firmware version and the patch information, we require to download Sangfor Updater first. Go to Sangfor Community, select Self-Service, Download. Select Tools. Click on Download on Sangfor Firmware Updater. Run the Sangfor Firmware Updater after complete the download. Key in the device's IP and key in the SuperAdmin account password to log in Sangfor Updater. Click on F10 to open Technical Support Console. You can view the firmware version information here. If there is KB patch installed before, the firmware version information will be like this. Next, go back to Sangfor Community, Self-Service, Software. Select NGAF. You can select the version that you wish to upgrade to. But, please be reminded to check the description to see if it is compatible to directly upgrade to the current version. If it does not support, please find the latest version that support the upgrade. After checking is done, click on Download. Upgrade process. For your concern, we suggest to perform upgrade with a PC that directly connected to NGAF management port. After login on Sangfor Updater, select Load Package from Disk and click on Browse. Select the update package file and click Open. Click on Next. You can read what bug is fixed, what new feature is included in this new version here. Click on Update to proceed to firmware upgrade. Now, we need to keep the Sangfor Firmware Updater running and wait the upgrade process done. When the upgrade is done without error, these two messages will be shown and the device will auto-restart now. If there is any error message prompt out during the upgrade, kindly contact Sangfor personnel to solve the error. After the device is restarted, go to NGAF Web UI. After login to NGAF Web UI, You can see the device is upgraded to 8.0.23 now. In the end of this tutorial, we have learned on what is the preparatory check for NGAF firmware upgrade, how to check whether the device installed KB patch or it is custom version, NGAF firmware upgrade process,